Hi guys, today I received this INIU wireless power bank for reviewing purposes. It's for the MagSafe Pro kind of cell phones. This is the power bank. It's got a nice matte finish, and here is some LEDs that will turn on. The guide comes also with a USB Type-C cable, so you can connect other kinds of things, and a sleeve so you can storage it like this and take it anywhere with you. Okay, so I'm going to try it. I have this cell phone. Just take the charger, place it like this, and the battery is charging right now. It has this LED that turns on with the capacity of the battery, which is quite nice. As you can see, here it is. These LED lights show us how much battery we have on the power bank. Right now it says that it has 60% of the battery, which is very nice. And you can use it charges with a USB Type-C that comes included, connected, and then to the energy. Or you can also use these ports to charge your phone. It was connected. And there it's charging. Okay. Also, you can use the USB Type-A port to charge your phone, and to charge the battery you need to use this Type-C input for it to charge. I really like it. It's really small, so I think it's a perfect size. It doesn't get too much space or anything. It's nice that it comes with a Type-C cable, so you can just storage both of them at the same time. And with this little bag, it's easier to just have it around. So I hope you like it. It's a very nice product. I would really recommend it.